You like her? You like Melody? No, you like her?
We already have her.
We have her. We have Mary Ellen.
I have her. No, I already have her.
No, we already have Mary Ellen, Mommy.
We have it at home.
Can you find another one? We have Mary
Downstairs.
Ellen.
There's baby one downstairs.
Let's go look at this one. She likes Mary Ellen, but we already have Mary Ellen. Oh, Kit. Do we have Kit?
No.
We do have Kit.
No, we don't. We have Emily, not Kit.
We don't have Kit?
No. This is Emily.
Are you guys kidding me? We don't have Kit?
Nope. We have Emily.
Yeah. She's new.
Nanias. Haluku.
Kakoa.
Where's the car?
Kakoa. We have Mary Ellen. Downstairs? Okay. You want to take her downstairs?
Story says.
You can.
Brian Smart's
All right, let's go.
You have a candy bag?
Melanie.
She likes to sing.
We do have Julie.
Spanish one.
Oh, Luciana.
We were on that trip with Pastor. We were at the Station News. Someone actually had it.
We're at the mall trying to get something for Marcelo's mom. Tomorrow is her birthday, the 14th. So, ooh. Can I go look in here, babe?
Yeah. I'll keep the kids out here.
Are you coming?
There's only kids now.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you guys where I'm going. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh, I love the red and white. I love the red and white. It's pretty. Oh, beautiful. I just want to pick this up and put it in my house. Oh, look at those pillows. This is so up my alley. Oh, I love these. I love these. Oh, they have bar stools. I'm looking for bar stools. Ooh, I love this. Now that I see it in person, I love it. I think this will be really pretty for my island. I love that. I'm looking for island stuff. This is a beautiful store. Oh, so pretty. Excuse me. Oh, beautiful. I love the colors. So nice. I love the texture on these. Oh, man, look at this. Oh my gosh. I love this. Can I have it, please? Laundromat comfort. Small, medium. Oh, I just want it. I want it, please. I have all the laundry stuff up there. This is a pretty, ooh, I like this. This is a pretty piece. And look at the price, not bad. That's not bad. That is a really nice price for oh, that's something. This is like an IKEA calyx system. This is it. It's stackable. I was like, give it to me now. Oh, this is pretty. Like your front door. That's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. I love that plant. That's pretty. Lunch was amazing. So,
Finish
get
that
ready
Coke
to
so I
go
can
back
get a
home.
refill.
I got me a purse. I have to show you guys the purse that I got. It was on sale at Macy's. So, get ready to head home and call it a day. Maddie. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Got catch up for lunch videos. Got a ton of catch up for lunch videos. That's trash. That's trash. But yeah, we're gonna finish up here and then go home.
All my overtime done.
You spent all your money, Rob?
All my overtime money.
All your overtime?
Man, it's cool.
You spent all your money?
Did you get it?
Huh?
Did you get your man with the shades?
No.
She spent $3?
Maddie, get in your chair, girl.
Maddie. Maddie,
Maddie, get in your chair.
let's go.
We gotta go, girl. You're not even a baby if you can crawl in and out of a stroller.
No, it's just a transportation. Stick your hand in there, Jaxson.
Alright,
Oh, you can't do it anymore.
what? Stick your hand?
Yeah. Before you used to be able to open it this one.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. What are you building?
Doing alright, sir?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah?
You had to look around?
Yeah.
What you building? Nothing?
Yeah, something.
What are you building? Really? What did you build, Mommy? Is that a girl? She a girl? Is that a baker? She a baker? This thing right here is massive. Look at that.
You see that one?
Which one? Oh, yeah. This is pretty cool. Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Kids are off to outdoor school, and they're going to be gone for 3 days. Yeah, they're going to be gone for 3 days. I still have Jaxson, so I still have to drop and pick him up. But I miss my babies already. It rained last night, but the sun is out today. I don't know what for dinner. I need to figure out dinner. Oh, but it's only 3 of us. It's only 3 eating people in our family this week. So I don't know what it's like to cook for 3 people. I know what it's like to cook for 4, because, you know, once upon a time it was just 4 of us. Then Destiny came, then it was 5 of us. And we were the original 5 for a long time. And then Jaxson came, we were 6. And then Maddie, now we're 7. So anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys, good morning. Guys, I'm a horrible vlogger. I picked up this morning and that's it. So, I made dinner. I made the whole pack of, which container is that?
I don't know, I can't tell.
My hair is all wonky. If you have a wonky container, probably don't have.
Wonky?
Yeah, wonky. Yeah, that don't have a cover. You're gonna have to switch it out too.
But I like that one.
It's not about what you like, it's about what we have available. So, but anyways, I ended up just cooking the whole pack of chicken. Hubby's taking some for lunch. And why is my hair all jacked up? Jesus, you'd think that I'd fix my hair before I come on camera, but man. And the front of my hair is gone AWOL again.
No, you gotta clean
But it's okay. That's one. No, I have the dirty dishes already loaded.
Oh.
So I'm gonna run the dishwasher tomorrow. But the bones and stuff you can put in the trash.
No.
So anyways, Maddie earlier goes, after she realized after a while that it was just Jaxson, because when we came home, she went straight to sleep. So she didn't see who came in the car and who's not in the car and that. So she woke up, she was playing with just Jaxson. And she was fine for a little bit. Later on, when she saw the sun going down and it was like getting dark, she comes over. She said, "Wait, Destiny not home." Clear as day. There's nothing wrong with my baby. She goes, "Destiny not home." And she had
more vegetables.
That's good. That should be good. And she had this concerned look on her face, like she was extremely worried about where Destiny was. So I said, "Go to your dad. Go tell your dad what you just told me," because I'm like, maybe I'm tripping, you know, or this child just clearly asked where her sister was or why her sister wasn't home. So she goes and she said to Marcelo, "Destiny not home." And then she had this look on her face. I said, "Can you give me a kiss, mommy? She'll be home." She said, "No, Destiny not home." But hopefully by the time tomorrow, because today's Monday, so hopefully by the time Tuesday come, you know, and Wednesday, you know, she won't notice and it won't affect her that much, because I just worry about their little memory and what affects them and stuff like that. But she was clearly sad. Come here. Say hello. Where's Destiny? Say, "Daddy, stop. Not right now." Okay, where's Destiny? Huh? Where's Destiny? Hmm? What happened to Destiny? What happened to Destiny? Destiny not home? Where is she? She not home? No? Daddy's messing with you? Where did she? Oh gosh! Her dad's messing with her. But she's so cute when she's worried about her sister. That's like her favorite person in the whole wide world. Like, they're best friends. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna hop off of here. This is gonna be like a 3-day vlog for no reason. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Good night, guys.